In a tranquil marsh, where the sun kissed the water's edge, lived a heron named Hector. He was not an ordinary heron. He was graceful, wise, and possessed the most striking plumage. One day, Hector noticed a peculiar stone in the marsh. It was smooth, shiny, and had an eerie allure. Intrigued, he picked it up and held it close. Suddenly, his feathers began to change, losing their vibrant colors, and turning into the very stone he held. Confused and saddened, Hector sought the advice of the wise old owl, Orion. Orion explained that the stone was a magic artifact, given to those who were ready to embrace a new form. He told Hector that this change was not permanent but a test to learn the true essence of who he was. Hector, being the wise heron he was, decided to embrace his new form. He spent days immersed in the marsh, feeling the water beneath him, the wind on his stone-like skin, and the sun on his cold surface. He observed the world from a new perspective, realizing that the beauty he once saw in his feathers was now visible in the reflections on his stone surface. The children, in turn, taught Hector about the joy of laughter and the simplicity of innocence. Hector realized that while his feathers had once symbolized his beauty, his new form allowed him to connect with others in a way he never could before. In the end, Hector chose to remain a stone, not because he had given up his desire to return to his original form, but because he understood that change, while sometimes difficult, can lead to growth and new opportunities. He continued to share his wisdom with the marsh creatures and the children who visited, reminding them that true beauty is not found in our external appearances, but in the essence of who we are and the impact we have on others.